What is up, everyone? Today we're going to show you how to make 4-ingredient healthy cookies because today is the last day of our summer series 2022. That is right, we've posted 30 days straight as of now on YouTube Shorts as well, and we posted on Instagram a lot as well. So it's really been a grind, but thank you so much for supporting us along the way. Anyways, let's get to the recipe. Let's start off by mashing in 1 banana into our bowl. Let's add in a 1/4 cup of peanut butter that is smooth. Next up, a cup of rolled oats. Lastly, 3 tablespoons of dark chocolate. Let's give this a mix. Let's use our hands and make about 8 cookies with this dough. Let's pop this in the oven at 350 for 10 to 12 minutes. Alright everyone, we really appreciate you watching today's video. We are now finished our 30-day summer series. Make sure to go check the previous videos that we posted. But anyways, we'll see you in our next video.